Hello, my friends. My name is Alex. Today I will tell you about a very happy day in my life. It was my day at the zoo. I went there last week and it was amazing. I saw many different animals. Some were very big, some were very small, some were quiet, and some were very noisy. While you listen to my story, you will also learn simple English words and sentences. This will help you understand English better and speak it more easily in your daily life. I can't wait to share this story with you. Let's start. I woke up early in the morning. The sun was shining and the sky was clear. I felt happy because today I was going to the zoo. I got out of bed and stretched my arms. Then I went to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I put on my favorite yellow t-shirt and blue jeans. I packed my small green backpack. I put a bottle of water inside. I also packed a sandwich, a hat, and my camera. I was ready for a fun day. I smiled and said to myself, "Let's go." I left the house and walked to the bus stop. A few people were already waiting there. Soon the bus came. I got on and sat by the window. I looked outside as the bus began to move. Along the way I saw shops, houses, trees, flowers, and a small park with people jogging. I felt happy and excited. I couldn't wait to see the animals at the zoo. The bus stopped in front of the zoo. I got off and looked around. The zoo entrance was big and colorful. There was a sign that said "Zoo" in large letters. I saw pictures of lions, elephants, and birds on the wall. Many people were waiting in line to buy tickets. Some had children holding balloons. Others were taking photos at the entrance. I went to the ticket counter to buy my ticket.
Hello. Welcome to the zoo. How can I help you?
Hello, I would like one ticket, please.
Sure. One adult ticket.
Yes, please.
That will be $10.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your ticket. The entrance is through that gate.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your visit.
I will. Thank you. When I walked inside the zoo, I felt so excited. The air was fresh and I could hear the sounds of animals in the distance. I held my camera in my hand, ready to take photos. The first animals I saw were lions. They were lying in the warm sun, their golden fur shining. They looked calm, but their eyes were watching everything around them. One lion opened its mouth, showed its sharp teeth, and made a loud roar. The sound was deep and powerful. It made me step back a little. Next, I saw the elephants. They were huge and strong with wrinkled gray skin. Their big ears moved slowly in the breeze. They walked slowly, using their long trunks to pick up grass and put it into their mouths. One baby elephant was splashing water with its trunk, which made everyone smile. Then I went to see the monkeys. They were jumping from tree to tree, moving quickly and playfully. One monkey hung upside down from a branch and made a funny face at the visitors. I couldn't stop laughing. I also visited the bird area. It was full of color and sound. I saw bright parrots with red, green, and yellow feathers that shone in the sunlight. They were sitting on branches, cleaning their feathers with their beaks and making loud sounds. After that, I saw giraffes. They were very tall with long necks and small heads. They were eating green leaves from the top of tall trees. One giraffe bent its long neck down to drink water. It looked very calm and peaceful. Next, I saw zebras with beautiful black and white stripes. They were walking slowly together, side by side in their area. Some were eating grass and others were looking around. I noticed a baby zebra walking close to its mother. Then I visited the penguins. They were small, black and white, and walking in a funny way. Some were swimming quickly in the cold water. Others stood together making soft noises. One penguin jumped into the water and made a splash. I also saw a crocodile lying near the water. It was very still and looked scary. When it opened its mouth, I could see its sharp teeth. It looked dangerous, so I didn't get too close. Finally, I saw flamingos. They had long legs and bright pink feathers. They were standing in the water, moving very slowly. Their pink color looked beautiful in the sunlight. Everywhere I went, I took photos. I wanted to remember this amazing day. After I saw many animals, I began to feel hungry. I walked to the zoo cafe. It was a small, friendly place with tables and chairs outside.
Hello, what would you like today?
Hello, I'd like a sandwich, please.
Sure. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, orange juice, please.
Okay, that will be $6.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your sandwich and juice.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your lunch.
I will, thanks. I took my food and sat at a table in the shade. I enjoyed my lunch slowly. Other visitors were also eating. A family next to me had pizza and 2 children shared a big ice cream. Everyone looked happy and relaxed. When I finished eating, I rested for a few minutes. Then I got ready to see more animals. I followed a path that went past more animal areas. Along the way, I stopped to take many photos. The zoo had beautiful plants, flowers, and colorful signs. A small butterfly even landed on a flower near me. Everywhere I looked, there was something interesting to see. The afternoon felt peaceful and happy. After a long and wonderful day, it was time to go home. I walked back to the zoo entrance. I looked around one more time and smiled. I could still hear the animals in the distance. I waved goodbye to the zoo as if the animals could see me. I took the bus home. On the way, I looked at the photos on my camera. Each one reminded me of the animals I saw and the fun I had. When I got home, I felt tired but very happy. It was a day I will always remember. That was my day at the zoo. I saw many amazing animals and took lots of photos. Now I want to hear from you. Have you been to a zoo before? What animals did you see? Try to talk about it in English. The more you practice, the better you will get. Thank you for joining me today. See you in the next lesson.